Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a very interesting website, Postcrossing. Well, postcrossing is the union of two words, postcard and crossing, meaning exchanging. So this website is about exchanging postcards with a random person somewhere in the world. Right? Well, where the postcard comes from is always a surprise, so it's quite exciting. How can we use this website? Okay, well, it's necessary to be a member. It's necessary to create a free account. So step 1, click here, create your free account, or we may also click here, sign up. Right, we need to fill out this form. We need to choose a country, in our case Spain. We need to select a city, a place. We need to enter a username, our email address and a password. And then very important, we need to enter our full address, because this is the address to which postcards will be sent. So we need to enter our name, address, city, postal code, and the name of our country, right? And then we scroll down and we click sign me up. Okay. Right, once we have registered or created an account, we can log in. I'm gonna log in using my personal account. Right, so this is my profile. You can upload a profile picture. Well, my name is Anna, by the way. This is my mailbox. So far, I have sent 12 postcards. Well, not exactly. 12 of my postcards have already been received. Okay, I have received 11 postcards from different uses, and 5 postcards are on the way. Okay, towards their destination. Okay, as you can see, many different countries. Right. When you're new to Postcrossing, you can send a maximum of 5 postcards at a time. Then after 10 postcards received by other users, you can send 6 postcards. And then the more postcards you send, the more postcards you will be able to send at a time. Right, so step 2. Before you receive a postcard, it's necessary to send a postcard. So we need to request a postal address and a postal identification code. To do so, we click send a postcard. This is step 2. Right, as you can see, I can only send one more postcard, and I'm gonna select this and click request address. I need to make this bigger. Alright. Right, my postcard will go, oops, I need to go back. My postcard will go to China. And this is the postcard ID. I need to write on the postcard I will send. And below, I'm not gonna scroll down because I don't want to show the real address. But if you scroll down, you will find the recipient's address. Okay. So you need to take a postcard, write a message. Okay, include the postcard ID and the address, alright, and mail the postcard to that address. Right, then the moment, what's her name? Well, JW, etc. The moment she receives the postcard, okay, this person needs to register it in this website using this code, right? And once the postcard is registered, we will receive the postcard from a random user, right? So step 3, wait to receive a postcard, okay? We need to check our mailbox daily, and what is great is the element of surprise of receiving postcards from different places in the world, because this turns our mailbox really into a box of surprises. Now, imagine one day we receive a postcard from any person in the world. It will include a postcard ID, okay? starting not ES, because ES is España, from Spain. Starting, imagine if it comes from Germany, it will start DE, I think, Denmark, right? So how to register a postcard? Well, very easy. We click here, register a postcard. We choose, write the initials of the country, and we write the numbers here. And we can also send a short message to the sender, okay? Like, thank you for the postcard, I love it, hope you have a nice day, etc. And then we click here, register a postcard. Alright, and then the process starts again. We will, at the moment one of our recipients receives the postcard, we will be able to send a new postcard. And the moment we receive a new postcard, we need to register it here, and so on and so forth. Okay, well, Postcrossing is a wonderful website. It is not only about sending and receiving postcards, it's also about meeting people from any place around the world. It's also about discovering new cultures. It's a good way to improve our geography knowledge. Myself, I'm discovering new cities, new places I have never ever heard of. So it's a fantastic opportunity to bring the world together, okay, without leaving our home or our classroom. So hope this tutorial has been useful, and happy postcrossing. Bye bye.